Ayy, look, I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So now I can't debate. Ay, what the fuck be wrong with y'all? On my dick, my balls and all. And I ain't just called to stall. I'm really trying to knock down all you walls. These niggas talk tough as hell, but when it come time, they call the laws. And I really do rock with me, so tell me why the hell I need y'all applause. Good God, y'all lame as hell. Better stick to your lane as well. Look like you made to fail. I never could let no shade prevail. And I feel too blessed today. I just got paid like yesterday. And I think I fooled the ride. So baby girl, put your best away. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ay, ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So now I can't debate. I'm like, what the hell be on your mind? Hating on me like all the time. Little nigga, you lame as hell. Think about me, get on your grind. Them boys too internet. Talk too tough, ain't being a threat. Good kush pack cigarette. Can't see me, my silhouette. You weak, you jive as hell. Phone too dry, no clientele. I thrive, I'm live and well. Sold out show, I'm live as well. Smoked out, been high as hell. Can't find me, just find the smell. Invest, I buy the sell. Claim they rich, bet time I tell. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. Nah, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate.
What's good, fam? Welcome, 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 welcome. Wednesday, midweek. How's the family doing? Welcome back. Beautiful timing, guys. Beautiful timing. Thank you for being here on time. Truly appreciate it. 245 people came here at 7. Very proud of you guys. Absolutely amazing. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope trading is going well for you so far this week. It's a rough week. It's a rough week. Part of the game. Part of the game. Looking forward to host you guys today. Make it an epic stream. I want to kick off with my favorite song. Let's do it first. Let's kick it off. Let's get a little bit in the vibe here. There we go. We're going to talk about the dollar, gold, euro. A lot of things to do. A lot of things to do here. And let's see what we have today. Let's see what we have here. Do we have Vicky in the building? Let's see if Vicky is here. Let me see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. There we go. Beautiful. We have Vicky. What's happening, Vicky? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Tolbert. Good afternoon from Kenya. Gib, FX, Romeo, Azrin. Amazing. Manix, Netma. Beautiful. Shipley. Black Lagoon, Osgan, Nias, Harley. Happy Wednesday, my man. Happy Wednesday. We're gonna take a trade today. I can guarantee you that. We're gonna take a trade today. I have something in my mind right now. Gonna be interesting. Joe, wow, my man. Milan, Shoop. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. Hope you guys had a beautiful morning. It's already evening here. It is currently 7 p.m. straight from Bali right now, right here. Beautiful setup, my man. Really, really nice. Love it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screens. That's 3 more screens than I have. So that's a that's fantastic here. Looking good. Love it, my man. Love it. Also, big shout out to all the guys in Limitless 33. As always, we are at day 7 right now. Yesterday we were boxing here. We're doing our best. We're really trying to push it every single day. Eat healthy, you know, work hard, analyze the markets. I'm trying to really be on top of it for you guys as well. I'm really trying to crush the London session for you guys, for the people that are not in our Signal group. We had a beautiful win today. Small win, but a win is a win. I think that matters the most here. Yeah, amazing. Amazing to see. I keep piling in these new setups for you guys. Even if there are no setups, I'm trying to figure out. I'm not forcing anything, but I'm just working very hard now to make sure that this will be positive. Beautiful Rob, my man. Justin R, amazing. Stove, what are you doing today? 12 rules for life. Great job, brother. Beautiful. Doing some push-ups here, eating healthy. Man, complete takeover. A complete takeover. You changed your setup place, bro? Yes, I changed my setup place. Correct. Couple weeks ago. Luca, my man. Hope you're doing well. Great to see you here. My mother is here. Hi, mom. Shout out to my mom. Beautiful. Okay, guys. So, we have the news. Let's start out with the news first. Would love to see us piling up these likes already. We have 133 likes. Can we get this to 200 likes right now? Our target was 35,000 this week, but we're gonna easily surpass that. So that is a very interesting, beautiful. Okay, but what I quickly want to do right now, sorry, but we have to take a trade because it's time. Personally, I want to look for a short right now for the EURUSD. And the reason why is because I feel that, and I see that we're now holding above this this low here. Dollar is pushing up. Currently, we have the euro here. London opened, took out the Asian highs, came up. We have the Asian lows here, equal lows below, Asian lows below. We failed to take out New York as well. We have a lot of sell side here. So a one-to-one simple trade, one-to-one trade setup would be nice, would be amazing. Let me see if I can get this sorted. There we go. Give me 1 second. There we go. What we want to create is something like this. You want to take out the lows here, stop loss above the highs here, and just take that one-to-one trade setup, you. Something in that manner. Short. I have no idea why it's the other way around. Oh, yeah, of course. I changed this before. Boom. Boom. Okay. Stop loss above the highs, target below the lows here. This is what I'm looking for. Simple one-to-one setup. I want to actually take this one right now. And the reason why is because of the Asian lows. New York holding up here. Dollar holding up here. I want to see this pushing through, of course. Holding in the 30-minute bounce. We are still above the Sunday open here. So yes, we're going to talk about gold. But I do want to take this trade actually. In 3 minutes. If we can close below here. Roughly. Something in that manner. Let me see if I can set it up here already for you guys as well. Something like that. Yeah, we'll talk about gold in a second here. But I do want to take this trade to the downside here. Give me one moment. Gold as well, by the way. Gold is also interesting at the moment here, but I do like what I see right now for the Euro USD. Just so you guys know, I'm looking for something in that matter. The dollar is looking strong. Yeah, we're gonna do everything in a second here. Our regular analysis and everything is coming. I am just seeing now that the Euro USD is in a very interesting spot for me at the moment here. And this is what I would like to see. So that's it. Give it one more minute. Let's see where we at. And I might enter this one-to-one, taking out the Asian lows here. And going for these lows below right there. And let's talk about the gold setup very shortly, and the dollar and everything that we're going to share. We have news coming as well. A lot of things to share here. But I do want to take out these lows here for the Euro USD. So definitely something that I'm looking for. Let me know if the music is okay, if it's like not too loud. Last time it was a little bit on the loud side here. So I want to make sure that this is all good as well here. All right. Beautiful. Okay. I want to wait for that closure on a 15-minute. If you close below this level here, I'm going to take a short to the downside. I'm going to put my stop loss above. Target the Asian lows here. Equal lows built up. New York yesterday, wick didn't take, not particularly taken out here. We have a gap below here as well. There are some reasons for it to push down here, while the dollar is pushing up right now at the moment as well. So I like what I see here currently, and this is a nice area where we could potentially eventually bounce towards too. Something in that manner. So give me a couple of seconds here, and then we get this out of the way. And then we talk about gold and everything that I'm currently seeing, as well as the news. All right, the Fomc meeting. Today we're going to see a report coming. Later, 2 p.m. EST. Okay. Important report about, the potential future interest rate decisions, monetary policy, you name it. It's going to have an impact. For sure. There we go. Yeah, a little bit of a different start, but yeah, we have to look for this. I like the setup in general. Love to see us giving us a little bit more volume here, and then it should be all good here. Nothing yet. Waiting. You will hear my my click, my start here, my entry. What the hell is keeping the dollar up? Do you think it will resume this downtrend soon? So for now, we're going to talk about the dollar. We can do this actually right now here. We have been holding above the Sunday open. The Sunday open is right here. It is Wednesday right now. We are still above the Sunday open. So it's an interesting, it's definitely interesting here that we are still above it. We have not broken it yesterday. This is definitely something that I found interesting here. We're bouncing now a little bit. Question is, how strong will this bounce be? Will this be enough to take out this high here? If that's the case, We have created a new higher high, and that will give us the confirmation for potential continuation here, even though on the daily, like we said before, we are now at the top here. But we're seeing a lot of demand coming into play. A lot of guys are stepping in right now and trying to push it. And we're gonna enter EURUSD. Boom. Alright, I'm in EURUSD. Short, 1-to-1, very simple. Want to take out the Asian lows. I give the priority over the highs right now. And let's see what happens. Quick start here. But anyways, in regards to the dollar, it's looking quite strong to me overall. Even though we're at the top right now, not just from this bounce, just the way we're following structure on the daily, as well as, you know, all these other pairs that I'm looking at, the Australian dollar, the euro, are all starting to lose a little bit momentum here. So based on that, I'm trying to look into, you know, like truly into the other pairs as well as gold. And we're going to talk about gold in a second here. Okay. Well, let's just start and kick it off here. We are in a EURUSD short. We just entered. And the reason why is because of the Asian lows, equal lows here. Okay, equal lows. London is coming down right now. New York hopefully will take out, will take out the Asian lows. And then from there, we will see. That's what I'm looking out for right now. The dollar is holding up strong. I like it. I think it's worth a 1-to-1 setup here. Pretty straightforward. Taking it very early in the stream. But yeah, we're going to talk about gold here. Let's do this as well. Let's look at the gold chart in a second. Let's do it actually already. Let's get this sorted. All right. So gold. Okay, we are looking not particularly strong. Not particularly strong at this particular moment here. Okay, we have seen the same range. We are starting actually to build out, in my opinion, some serious sell side liquidity to the downside here on the 10-minute. We actually have been holding and like holding in this zone right now. It is not looking particularly strong, guys. I'm not really that impressed. Also, if you go to the 3-daily chart here on gold, in general, yeah, we opened here. We came up, we created a minor wick. We're pushing up here, but now we're facing that resistance from the bodies. Practically this body right here from the previous 3 daily candles, from this low. And we're kind of forming that resistance right here, right now. So you see that the resistance is there and that it pushes us down slightly. Okay, so this is what we're seeing, is that we're tapping into that zone, and you know, now we're getting pushed back a little bit, and the dollar is still holding up quite strong to me. We still have a massive gap there. Like there are many reasons for gold to come down here, but in my opinion, this is definitely something to look out for. It's this level right here. In the meantime, if you go to the internal structures right now, we have created that high. That high was a rejection point off of this particular zone, which is also a strong area of resistance, not just an area of supply. At the same time, we tapped into that zone, we came down, we're coming up, and we're starting to build that sell side liquidity here. Getting rejected again, dollar coming up. It's just not looking that strong, guys. The only reason why I'm in the euro right now and not in gold is because of the clarity that the euro-US dollar is giving me right now, and the target of these Asian lows below here. For now, what I'm waiting for in gold, I'm waiting for a breakthrough moment for the dollar, right? A higher high for the dollar and a lower low for gold here. And that would include that potentially below the daily support where we were yesterday at like 903, we can start breaking that zone, and we can potentially look for the lows here. A continuation towards that wick that we created yesterday, a potential fill up, and a potential continuation to the downside here. If you go to the 4-hour indeed as well, very weak bottom wick here for gold at the moment. So I'm leaning definitely towards some downside potential here. And yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes today. We're keeping a close eye on gold. In case something happens, you are the first to know. Okay? We just entered euro. right at our entry. What I want to see is I want to see the Asian lows getting taken out. I give this one a 70-30 chance that we come down here based on what we're currently seeing. And yeah, let's see how it goes. What is the significance of no bottom wick? Manipulation, liquidity, leading us in the wrong direction. Asking yourself the question, who is actually in control? Who is actually in control here? All these things are quite important to mention right now. We have news coming in an hour. So we have to be super aware of the building permits that are coming for the dollar here at 8:30, which is in an hour from now. And of course the FOMC meeting report will come, you know, much later already after the stream here. So we're gonna find out how we react towards that right here. And let's see how that goes. Dollar indeed pushing through right now. We're holding above the zone here. I want to see it continuing to the upside for now at least. Do not see the direct weakness here for the dollar at the moment. So hope that makes sense for gold here. And yeah, gold is just not looking that particularly strong right now, guys. As you guys can see already, it is not looking that strong right now at the moment here. So potential downside for gold, potential downside for the euro, potential upside for the dollar. What we want to see is that breakthrough moment here. That breakthrough moment is at 109.138. That's where you break this body, you break that internal range. And then it should start coming down, hopefully quite quickly from there. So that's what we want to see. Right in the center of that range, waiting for the Asian sweep indeed, taking out the lows, and from there we look at our next trade. Quite unusual that we straight away start with a trade here, but sometimes we have these days here. We have some of these days here. Gold is coming soon. Hopefully we're gonna see a nice New York open as well, swiping out the Asian lows for us, and then moving forward from there. If we take out the highs and we come up, it sadly is what it is here, but the probability and edge, in my opinion, is in our favor for now. That's it. Arga says, can you speak by Hustle Lorenzo? Said a kid. Johan says, what if the dollar goes up but gold don't push down? We look at, what are we looking at? Let me know in the chat, guys. What did we learn yesterday? See if you guys remembered it. It's a great question, Jordan. Somebody is going to help you out right now. Government bonds, 10-year treasuries. This is what we're looking for, okay? See what they're up to. Okay, what is happening here with the treasury bonds. Based on that, we look at, you know, the strength here. I can almost not see gold not coming down if the treasuries and the dollar index go up. Both of them. Just so you know. Absolutely. – 10-year bonds, you guys got it. Perfect. Absolutely amazing. I don't know what happened, guys, but we are in a crazy momentum here with our community. Everything is just going through the roof. The amount of messages we get, the amount of people that join our Discord, the amount of people that subscribe, YouTube, likes, everything. So let's keep up this momentum here. And I'm very proud of you guys. We showed up here from the beginning. I'm happy that we can trade also straight away here instead of waiting for a couple hours. It's also nice. Even though not much is happening at the moment, but at least we have something here. overall, very proud of you guys here. Let's build up the momentum. Let's keep going. And let's truly make a difference here in regards to not just my life, your life, our lives. And the work that people are putting in, it's just green, incredible. Gratis Blaze. Beautiful. Thomas. The animal's coming soon as well here. The magician, we call him. He's coming shortly. Abikush. Legend, my man. Love it. Amazing. This is good stuff. This is good stuff. That's absolutely beautiful. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Dollar yen headed for the weekly highs. Okay. Let's see how that goes here. Henrik, what's good, Lorenzo? I'm doing well, my man. How are you doing? Hope everything's good. Yesterday we reached 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes. The day before we reached 1,000 likes. The day before that we reached 1,000 likes. So are we able to reach 1,000 likes today? Beautiful. What do you think about gold? We just talked about gold here a couple minutes ago. We just talked about gold a couple minutes ago here. Juan, my man, good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna set an alert here though. 1903.5. Definitely gonna set an alert here, so we don't miss out on that part. Very important. We are currently in a sell for the EURUSD. We're targeting the Asian lows, Asian equal lows, by the way. That gap below Asian equal lows here. London opened up, took out the Asian highs, then flipped. We hopefully can continue with the dollar to take out at least these lows here. We failed to break this high as well right now when we came up. And we're right in the center for a trade. 1-to-1, potentially take it to the downside, take out the lows and see from there. And the dollar so far is holding up. The treasuries are doing well, pushing up here. Dollar is pushing up here. Euro is just at some support right now, but if we break it, we have our we can put our stop loss on break even quite quickly from there. Cowboy, good morning. Good morning. I hope you're doing well. Forex Wolf trading, my man in the building. Great to see you, brother. GJ, your analysis, please. GJ has been coming up strong, if I'm correct. Let me see what's going on here. Okay. Yeah, massive move. Massive move here. We came down eventually. Got... okay, interesting. We came down here. Now facing that resistance. Overall looks very strong still. But yeah, if you flip this and you break that low after that resistance here, you might be pushing down further. So let's set an alert here. The yen is still weak. Every single time we come up, I think... yeah, it doesn't stop, guys. It doesn't stop. GJ, the yen. The yen is extremely weak. Extremely weak over time here. GJ, Strap City. Exactly. Cowboy says, my brother Gavin, great macro session yesterday. I heard it. I heard he had a great conversation. It was beautiful. Incredible. Nira Lifts, welcome. Do you need a visa to stay in Indonesia? Yes. Couple times a week. I agree. And Lorenzo, question, why is it that indices like the Nasdaq and US 30 produce more profits than a currency pairs using a 0.1 lot size? Because the units and the contract size is different. Slightly different measurements right there. So yeah, make sure you use a calculator. That's what matters the most here. Absolutely. Yeah, let's see what we can learn today here. Look at GJ. Indeed, pushing down, getting rejected right now at this level. Let's see if it's enough for us to break this low. That would give us a nice, you know, confirmation. Breakdown confirmation here. Potential flip. Turn around for GJ. Let's see if it makes sense here. In regards to the yen. But yeah, interesting. Interesting thing to look at. Do you know the guy's temp past FX? This guy turns 10k into 1.5 million, and for 4 days they release another one from 5k to 2.2 million in only 10 days. I don't really give a fuck. Cowboy says we're going live in the Discord at New York Open in the VIP Crypto. Yes, guys, we have a fantastic team, a group of individuals that are very committed into crypto as well. Highly recommend you to check it out. We have our premium channels as well. You can join us practically if you're just interested in it. We even give away free signals and everything like that. You just need to apply, get access to our VIP community, and we have weekly meetings. Crypto is going to blow up sooner than later. Or something is going to happen at least. Mark my words. You want to be prepared for that. For now, Forex is of course amazing. However, it's always nice to learn a new skill here, or you know, sometimes get an understanding of the basics of a different market. And of course, with the market and the future potential of cryptocurrencies and tokenization of the world, I recommend you to join us and join our weekly meetups. We trade crypto up or down, indeed, like Kevin said. So the price for us personally, kind of irrelevant. Kind of irrelevant. Hello, I'm new here. What do you use exactly to calculate your position size? The trading view. Trading view. So I use this tool. I create limit order. I say market. I type in my risk. And from there, I make a decision here. Those flips from 10k to 1 million are the worst videos for trading. Nobody can relate to something like that. You can't even trade that way. Yeah, I'm completely against it. I just think it's like 90% of it is fake. They don't show you how many times it went wrong. They only show you the one that actually went right, and then people think, oh, that's possible. I can turn $5,000 into 20 million. Yeah, good luck. It hurts a lot of people, unfortunately. Are we planning to do a sell, or we're in a sell? Let's wait for the New York volume to come in here. We have our stop loss above the highs here. We're targeting the Asian lows. It's pretty straightforward. There's not much crazy stuff, you know. There is not much. There are not many crazy confluences here. This is just a pretty straightforward setup where we have a look at the sessions itself. Okay. And based upon that, we're trying to take out the Asian high. We're failed to break that high previously. We're pulling back We're in the center of this range here. We have these equal lows below here. We have that wick from yesterday. From the news, the New York session. Failed to take out the New York session lows as well here. So we have a couple lows that we need to take out here. We're just taking out the London lows. Hopefully we can continue our journey from there and potentially take out the Asian lows. Continuing into that gap. From there, potentially make a turnaround here. No magicians. I give this a probability of around 70%. Hopefully it's on our side. And the dollar looks strong. The confirmation of the dollar looks good overall. So hopefully we push through it and we take out the lows here. Shows MetaTrader like Riot Banks. So we have TradingView right here below. It's a live account. People are not used to it, but that's the way we trade here. Does it require you to have a broker linked with your TradingView, or you can do this anytime? You need a broker that allows TradingView. That has an integrated system where you can integrate your broker into TradingView. Hey bro, got a hypothetical question for you. If someone was holding GJ short from 183, what advice could you give them? Purely hypothetical, of course. I love it. 183. Short, okay. Yeah, that's right here, huh? That's a tough one, bro. That's a tough one, to be honest. You come back to these lows here. Like what I personally would do, if you're stuck in a position here, I would wait for the yen basket to take out this low. And after these lows are taken out, to see if there is a chance of a potential recovery pullback, which can potentially reduce your loss or your drawdown. Potentially coming up, therefore GJ coming down. I do think that if you take out this low and we're seeing that reaction, that you can hold your position still open. If it keeps dropping and it fails to break the resistance here, let's say the support turns into resistance and you break it and you come down further, yeah, at some point you have to think about, it's not nice to hear, but closing your position. So in my opinion, check out what the yen will do in regards to taking out these lows, yes or no. Something like that here. Is he trading EURUSD sell? Yeah, so keep in mind guys, this is the TradingView terminal. My position is below. My entry is here, my stop loss is there, my take profit is there. Otherwise, what indicator do you use to mark the sessions on chart? We use the tool or the indicator called Asian Session Range. That's called Asian Session Range by, let me see here, Rob Minty. What about gold? Gold's probably coming down. Probably as well here. Yeah, however, I want to break at least the daily support again at 1903. So we have an alert set right here. If anything happens with gold, we're simply looking to potentially look for the continuation here after breaking the 1903. The reason why is because of this daily support that we break. Again, right here. It will also give us a nice indication of a potential flippening scenario of the daily candle. And that could lead into more downside continuation as well here. So that's what we're looking for. All right, beautiful. Come on, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. Take out the Asian lows for us. Give us a beautiful trade. Perfect time to start and kick off the stream with. And then we're gonna go to gold. Dr. Finbar, thanks bro. Exactly what I was thinking. Hoping for retracement to come back to break even or a small loss. Exactly, brother. Yes, wait for the Japanese yen basket to take out the lows. And then usually you should see after taking out the lows here some sort of retracement. And if that doesn't happen, because you're still struggling, just close your position and yeah. And go for it next time here. Okay? How is the month going? Profit, loss, break even? Oh, overall pretty good here. We have not a single loss in August. Oh no, we have one loss in August. One loss in August. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 wins, 1 break even. 6 wins, 1 break even, 1 loss. Let's make this 7. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Want to take out the Asian lows? We're waiting for that breakthrough moment. That was the breakthrough moment. The moment it broke through that support here, we start falling. And yeah, simple 1-to-1 here. We could put our stop loss on break even after this closure. After this 50-minute closure, we put our stop loss on break even. Which is in 1 minute and 50 seconds. Lorenzo, I think you forgot to put the Australian dollar that got on break even in the spreadsheet. Oh, you're right. You're right. Yes, one more break even trade. Yes, you're right. I forgot the CPI. Correct. Thank you for letting me know. We'll add this in. It was a news trade, but yeah, same as this one. We put that one. We put that break even trade in as well. Thank you. Yeah. So gold is actually coming down as well. But gold has strong daily support, so I'm very curious to see how we react here. Whereas the euro, I want to see definitely taking out the Asian lows here. After this 50-minute closure, we put our stop loss on break even. 40 seconds left. That's a good beginning of the stream, guys. That's a great beginning of the stream here. If you want to take some profits here. Of course, do your thing. Manage your trade accordingly. And in 20 seconds, we put a stop loss on break even. Just want to see this 50-minute candle closing. Hopefully with not too much of a swing. All right, let's just keep it as low as possible. And then see from there. All right, that's good. That's good. Stop loss and break even here. And I am gonna take out some profits here. I'm gonna take 1 TP. TP1. All right, W in the chat. That's a win. Straight up win. All right, let's go. Great beginning of the stream, guys. Let's kick up the likes here. We have 900 people watching, 300 likes right now at the moment. You can click on this button right here. You would help me tremendously. I'm trying to give you as much as very possible. I'm trying to build the best community with each other. We're doing it. I just need your help by smashing that like button. It's completely free. You would help me tremendously as well. And you get me into the algorithm. You help me blow up. And you help me, take over the game here. Practically. Hi Lorenzo, how to move your TP stop loss on trading view, just dragging with the use of mouse? Just dragging, yeah. Drag and slide. Yeah. Yes, absolutely. We're in this together, fam. That's it. Hey Lorenzo, you had a swing trade on the Canadian Japanese yen a few weeks ago. How did it go? I closed it after 1 day. What caused that big drop? The dollar shoot up as well. So the dollar shoot up. Dollar is strong. Just dollar holding up very strong. The dollar on the daily looks strong. Like it's still a red candle. However, you see the demand stepping in. The wick on the top side is not that big. So it's like, you know, we might be flipping again. We're still holding above the Sunday open, where we opened the market on a Wednesday. We came back, we held here. I was like, yeah, no, it's looking too strong. Euro had equal lows built up for the Asian session. So the Asian lows were here. Equal lows were built up below. We're like, no, we're in the middle of that range here. We have a beautiful 1-to-1 right there. We go for the lows, give it a 70% chance that we'll get there. For me, it's usually the golden combination when the London comes up, midway through reverses, and then the Asian session has equal lows. Practically not taken out yet. And we have a gap below, an imbalance below as well. Yeah. Some really nice target points right here. So that's definitely something that I'm always looking for. We might be able to take it a little bit longer. Let's see how it goes here. But hopefully we push down further. Regardless, we have taken some profits. Hi Lorenzo, I recently joined the stream. Can you explain what you did to see and where to put that sell on the EU? So we took the sell below the 15-minute low. So the reason why we took that sell there, because and I think many of you guys know it, this was the last low that created this high. We broke that low. It was right in the center. Risk to reward was good. And we took an entry right there. On support, even. But sometimes the direction is more important here. We've taken some profits here, so I highly recommend you to do the same thing. At least like take one TP and then leave the rest running. Stop loss and break even already. And make sure that this is clear. Lorenzo, click the star in the left, bottom left. You have all the favorite tools on screen. Okay, I will look at it here. We're gonna get back to gold here. We have an alert set on gold. We just keep a close eye on it. For now, you can definitely tell that the treasuries are still moving up. Stock market's not looking that good, and the dollar is moving with the treasuries right now. We're facing some resistance here, so we're seeing a little pullback. Hopefully, it will not break, put us on break even. But yeah, that's how we take profits. We took profits at the right moment. A flip will be better, of course. Let's see where GJ is at. Okay, same thing, still there. Not much happening at the moment. Yeah, I have an alert set on GJ at 185.477, so below that last low, looking for the continuation to the downside. Look at the euro Australian dollar. I am like your live stream. Look at the euro USD. Australian dollar. Yeah, we had a trade today on the euro Australian dollar during the London session. What's going on right now? All right, we're pushing down again. Yeah, we're starting to lose strength. We're starting to lose strength. Yeah, interesting, but we're not there yet. We have to push down a little bit more. Strong continuation here, getting bought up right now. Hopefully, we will not tap into our zone here. Hourly candle is closing soon. Pushing up very slow and steady here. Very, very, very slow and steady here. I learned in an academy and they teach us to take risk management like 1 to 4, 1 to 5. What do you think about it? I think it depends on the strategy and your win rate. It all depends on your win rate. Did you start the stream earlier today? No. No, we started at 7 a.m. Maybe 5 minutes earlier, later. What can you say about the Japanese yen? Looking weak. Looking very weak. We're reaching a strong low. So we might find some support there shortly. I will go over it in a second again. Let's do it. Yeah, yesterday I explained, I talked to you guys about how I lost a lot of money. So if you're going through a similar phase where you're losing, you get angry at yourself, trust me, I've been to that same phase. And if you just keep persistent, it's gonna be a phase and it's gonna be over at some point and you start breaking even for a while. And even that is a phase, and eventually we can turn this into profits. All right, so hopefully with you included as well here, we can turn that into, we can turn you personally into profits as well here. That would be amazing. That's why we're here 4 days a week, you know, to give and help and direct you in the markets. You always should do your own due diligence, your own research. However, see this as an indicator. That's it. Your dollar about to hit break even. Hope you take some profits. We took profits at 109.08. I did not expect that immediately retracement, to be honest. I did not expect that that retracement. I definitely was like, okay, we're gonna potentially look for a continuation to the downside, maybe a little wick to the upside and then a flip. But we cannot predict the market here. Is Fridays your off day? Friday is a day where I trade crypto. I dedicate 1 day a week fully trading crypto, because I'm a big fan of trading crypto. Dollar flipping or what's going on here? Let's see where we're at. Yeah, it's okay. The dollar is flipping indeed. Interesting though. We might get stopped out here a little bit. And then we look for stopped out on break even or in profit actually. Well, let's see how we react here. And okay, we're out. Yeah, we're out. Okay, we're out. We took a little win here. And yeah, we'll add it later. Let's see how we react right now. Because I'm gonna take this to the lower time frame. And we look at the dollar. Let's see if we can look in for a re-entry. For now, not yet. In your trader's career, do you always trade like scalping? No. No, but the reason why I'm doing this is on stream is because people cannot watch every single time. And if you're gonna like intraday trade, it's gonna take a long time. We do not have that many trades at the same time. We will probably experience a lower win rate, higher risk to reward. Whereas, you know, on stream, we like to win as much as possible. It's pretty straightforward because imagine you joining the live stream. You cannot join every single day. And then you only join our losing trades or the losing trades I take. That would be a disaster. So I looked at a strategy around 70%, 75, 70% win rate. Euro, okay, there we go. Are we holding here with the dollar? We're pushing. Yeah, gold, we will check it out later. We just came out of a trade here. We're just trying to see what's going on here. We might be able to take a new trade soon. This whole range, continuation. Breakthrough. Up is above the highs. Might be looking at a new trade here. Our second trade of this stream. We took some profits here. Price came back to break even. Now we still have that rejection point right there on the 15 minute. It's actually a very clean zone. That's what I'm looking at right now at the moment. What I'm looking for is an internal confirmation for re-entry. It's just a safer route. And the confirmation will come from the dollar doing the same thing. Holding up here and then looking for new potential highs here. We have now the open. So it's actually quite interesting. And then from there we can see if we can get into our second position here, or if we can just re-enter, practically the same thing as what we did before. Because I think there's a big chance we will come and take out the lows here. Yeah, gold coming down here. Gold indeed got rejected at that point. Like I said, gold's looking weak. Hi coach, which country are we living in? Indonesia. Oh, news is high from Cameroon. Amazing, amazing. Okay, this is good. Let's see how we close this this next candle. We closed below it already. Oh wait, we closed below this level. And gold's gonna go for the lows here. I think gold's gonna go for that wick. Okay, that's what I'm looking for with the euro right now. All right. So what I'm waiting for the euro is I'm waiting for a confirmation on the lower time frame and an internal lower low. Risk a little bit less than I did on the previous trade. Enter then here, put my stop loss above that range and target the same level, which is practically the Asian lows here. If we flip and turn around here, and if we not break the highs, I'm looking into a new short here. So potentially, let's set an alert. And then target the lows. Let's see if we can turn around and flip here. Another layer already. Wow, that was super fast if that's the case here. That's beautiful. Almost at 35,000 guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support here. We reached our target. So big shout out to you. That's amazing. Many of you guys still are in the eurusd here. Okay. Manage your trade accordingly if you're still in the eurusd here. We have an alert set for the eurusd. In case we flip and turn around and we take a new trade. We take our second trade here. Gold, we're not there yet. I set as a kind of a potential to see what the risk reward will be. If you want to play it kind of on the safe side here. Yeah, a flip would be actually really good here. So I'm gonna buy some, potentially play sell stops below here. Not sell stops, but I'm gonna just enter market if you click, if you break that low. Sanam, Hangamer, my man, welcome to the stream. I know you guys are all waiting for the magician, Thomas. And I'm just holding you guys up here, but he's coming shortly. He's coming shortly. Hello Lorenzo, hoe gaat het broer? Goedemorgen, good morning brother. Nightbot, thank you. Control your emotions, follow your plan. Let the market come to you, patience, pace. I like that, I like that. So, eurusd, we're going to take a flip, potential trade to the downside here. If this is the case, we're going to still target the Asian lows. I think we took our take profit at the perfect level. I think we closed, not a big trade, we closed like 200 bucks. $200. However, a win is a win. And we manage to trade on quarterly. And we can always look for the re-entry. That's it. It's very simple. Gold is interesting though. And I'm starting to look at this wick here. This wick is what I'm interested in. And this is a weak low. Not much happening around this low here. We're trying to push up here. Not strong. Am I interested in trading it? Gold. Potentially if you break below the 1902. Potentially look like a continuation to the downside here, going for that wick. And yeah, euro, you see? Better break even. Wait for internal confirmation to look for a new trade, rather than staying in your position right here after you take some profits. And then, you know, the worst thing is price coming back. You know, you were in profit, you didn't take your profits, you're back into drawdown, price moves against you. No, we took some profits, stop loss on break even, we got out on break even with our remaining position. Now we're looking at internal structures for a turnaround, and that could potentially increase our probability a bit. And we just risk a little bit less on this next trade. But because the risk reward is higher, we'll roughly end up making the same if we still reach the target. So let's see how that goes here. Potential gold sell, let me see how it is on the Blackpool one. Who took some profits on the EURUSD? Please let me know in the chat. Did you guys take some profits? It doesn't have to be much. Well, profits are profits, and it really, really adds on. If you do this a couple times, it really adds on. So that's important. Important to know here. Alright, gold's flipping, turning around here. This is worth for me, potential takedown here to the lows. Let's open gold. Yeah, we're flipping below that low here. Rejection point. 30 minute. Coming down. This is the target I'm looking for. Something in this wick. Targeting the lows. Breaking that level. Short below. Top was above. Start profit in the wick. Going for the downside here. The dollar is looking... oh wait, flipping here. Okay, what about the treasuries? Still strong. Still coming up. Need to break through this level. And if we break through here, we might see gold pushing down further. We might look for continuation to the downside. The euro is coming up now. So good that we listened. We closed the position break even after we took some profits. Let's simply just wait for the turnaround to see if we can break these internal structures and take a trade from there. That would be amazing. The Karam, my man. Welcome, 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 brother. Welcome to the fam. Yeah, something like this in combination here. You see myself entering. So you hear me entering when once I enter. Sorry, you will get notified. Any trades today? Yes, we did a EURUSD trade. 1905 got in sells, beautiful. GG crushing it. Akash says $720. Amazing. Timothy says W. I like it. I love it. EURUSD. Yeah, okay. Let's wait for that reaction. Let's see if we can find that turnaround here, but we need to wait for the lows to be broken. Something like that. Euro. It's gold, same thing. Are you looking at GJ? I didn't look at GJ. I did look at GJ for a second ago here. Did something happen? No. Both gold and EURUSD are evenly interesting. This is what you want to see. You want to see that 50-minute candle flip. Oh, we have to adjust the stop loss a little bit because we actually got rejected from this zone. You put the stop loss above this zone. If we do turn around here. Razvan says EU is long all day long. What about the Asian lows and the liquidity there? The equal lows built up below. The treasury is coming up. Dollar is still holding up quite well. What about these confluences? What do you think about this? Let me know. Lounge, yes sir, coming in a second. Or let's do it. Let's get Thomas involved here. Everyone, a big one in the chat for Thomas. Where's Thomas? Right here, he's here. There we go. All right, beautiful. The man, the myth.
What's up? How are you doing, brother? You doing good?
I'm doing great, man.
Amazing to hear. How is everyone doing? Today was an amazing day so far. I saw you had a win on eurjpy.
Small win, but yeah, we had a win here.
Yeah, we also had a win on the trading pit as well with the people, with the family. Someone actually challenge. Amazing. So someone actually paused their phase 1 challenge in the, you can see it as well in the V3 members chat. It's actually quite insane. A lot of people made a lot of money today, and that's what we're trying to do every day, correct?
That's it, man. Every day is a new day, and that's all we need. We start fresh. Every morning we wake up, it's a new day. Our brain, our mind is completely reset. We don't not think about the trades from yesterday, we think about the trades of today. That's why we call it day traders. We think about
that's a good one.
Today.
100%. So what do we see today besides the euro trade we already did? What are we looking at now, Lorenzo?
Potentially look at the gold chart as well. Here, gold potentially is not looking good at all. I'm not impressed by the strength of gold here. And the dollar is holding up so far quite nicely. We have news coming though in 15 minutes, so we might have to wait for the news right now. A little bit, because of the news is coming in 15 minutes.
Yeah, I see. Let's wait a little bit and let's see what the news is gonna bring for us. Really interested in that. As well for gold, it's indeed building some more lows, so we might see a break to the downside later on during the news. Let's see what happens. We also were looking for a short on gold. We did not get tagged during our session, but that's all good because euro made up for it. So yeah, it's amazing. I see someone saying in the chat, I'm a yesterday trader. That's amazing.
Yeah, euro's doing it. Euro's flipping now. We're not in because of the news is coming very soon. So yeah, we already took our trade before. I'm personally gonna wait for the news. If you're interested in entering a short for the EURUSD, go ahead. I'm waiting personally for the news now. Let the news come. We look for new opportunities after. We made a little bit of profit here already. So let's wait for the news personally and then look for the continuation. Nick says, I think we're more like tomorrow traders. Pro trade says gold looks great for a sell. Daily open below 200 EMA. Bearish momentum looking great. Interesting. No impact news. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about the building permits. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. So it really depends here. Ooh, boom. That's amazing.
That's it. Press some W's in the chat. Some wins. Let's get it.
Lorenzo, I opened a sell at 1907 and Blackbird doesn't allow me to close the position. Have you experimented this broker? Yes, everything's working fine here. I'm not a big fan though. We're looking into other brokers. Overall, I got pretty good. I'm not really complaining about Blackbird. I think they're pretty good. I'm just testing out a couple other ones right now as well. The correlation taught us yesterday is indicating shorts on gold. Yes, the correlation for the treasuries indeed. Indicating that potentially, exactly, yeah. Mara says the news is nonsense, the bias is stronger if the bias is stronger. Yeah, I do agree with you actually. I do agree with you. I do agree with you. Yeah, let's see how gold's act below this level. If we flip this level here, we're gonna take a short to the downside and we take put our stop loss above the highs, target the wick below. And that's what we're gonna do here. Let's wait 12 more minutes for the news. Let me fill in the spreadsheet real quick.
Someone is saying, hi Lorenzo, congrats on that win. Have you done your Nasdaq daily analysis already? We're going into a ranging zone today, yesterday. Potential buy towards the... oh, there's a release coming, so there is a potential buy on the Nasdaq, Lorenzo.
Okay. We'll
Someone is saying that
in a second here. Let's do our analysis for the Nasdaq and the indices as well. Usually what we do it, let's say at 9 a.m. EST. The reason why is because it's 30 minutes before the New York Stock Exchange opens up. And then based upon that, we have potentially a little bit more accurate data from there. TP1 break even. Yeah, so we have news. We're waiting 10 minutes for the news here. For the news to come out. You don't trade gold? Yes, we trade a lot of gold. Most of our trades are gold, as you guys can see here. By far, 90% practically is gold here. We're looking interesting though. Yeah, I might take a gold sell right now. I might just take a gold sell right now. Euro is coming down as well. For the people that are in, congratulations. We're looking at this one. That continuation to the downside. That was the flip.
$10 minutes until the open or until the news. Let me see.
Let's win here. Let's win here. Let's make you guys win today. That would be amazing. Today is one of these days. Okay, sell activated for gold. 10
Let's go, let's go, let's go, guys.
For the people that are in the euro, manage to trade accordingly. For the people that actually entered or are still in, the Asian lows is at 108.964. 108.964. Our second trade already. We risk a little bit less in this case. Just because it's news. And news you never know. So I just took a half risk. So, 0.5% instead of 1%. Just because of that right here. Okay. Stop loss above the highs. Take profit is in the wick. In the wick from yesterday's news. I joined. Kindly repeat the analysis. Come at 7 a.m. tomorrow. 7 a.m. EST. 7 a.m. EST tomorrow. Put it in your calendar. And I'm here every day explaining exactly what I'm looking for. What kind of trades I'm taking. Let's do it together as a fam. Come together. Same time. We start out. We bring some structure to this game. Alright? That's what we're going to do here. Okay. Stop loss and break even. I'm not going to play around during news here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right.
I'm not going to play out, take out during news. Stop loss and break even here. Whatever happens, happens. We're not going to play here during the news here. We're just going to putting our stop loss and break even right now.
That's what we like to see. I love it. I love it. Amazing.
That was the break I was waiting for. I'm waiting for the break to the downside continuation. That was the break here. If you come back, it is what it is here. But news is coming soon, so no need to take crazy risk. With a little bit of luck, we break through. Otherwise, we just come back to our entry. And we try again later. Euro coming down as well, by the way. Who's in the euro? Who's still in the eurjpy? Target is the Asian lows, 108.9. Okay. Gold is coming down. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, no, this is good. This is good stuff.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Throw some W's in the chat.
Yeah, if you want to take profits, take profits. Of course, I'm not here to force you to hold your position. This is up to you. I'm gonna hold this for now. I'm gonna hold this one and let it ride. Let's see where it goes. If we break this level, we might. If we come actually in that wick, yeah, I'm gonna take some profits here. Otherwise, I'm just gonna wait. We already went half risk, so it's not really worth it for me now to just, take profits here. But for you, maybe it's better. $1,400 people in the chat here. Welcome.
Welcome, everyone.
Great to see you if you're new. Welcome to the chat. We had 2 trades already. Quite quickly here. Spreadsheet is in the spreadsheet section, or in the description. If you like what we do here, we come every single day. Sorry, Monday to Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We are here at 7 a.m. EST. Alright, an hour before the New York Open. Or the pre-open. Okay. And we're doing an analysis together. And we make sure that we win every single month. We're doing our best, at least. Gold will fly up with the news. Yeah, that's why we're not going to take any risk. We're not going to take any risk on this one. If you get still stopped out on break even here, we wait for a new one. We wait for the news to first, you know, surpass, and then we continue. All right, done. Break even trade on the second one today. We're gonna wait for the news for sure. So we're not gonna go crazy. Wait for the news right now. This is in like 3 minutes, and we're just gonna see what happens. And then from there, we're gonna find out if we can look for, if we can see some potential continuation. I will fill in later. Ah, still down. So if you're in, congrats. I'm out at least. I'll break even here. News in 2.5 minutes. We have 615 likes already. Wow, that's a record. That's absolutely record.
Let's go.
Yesterday we reached 1,000. Will be great if you can do it today again here, with the love and support from you guys. The commitment to show up, to do our analysis together, have some fun, have some trades, have some learning experiences here, and hear more of my stories, how I lost a lot of money before, a lot of learning experiences over the last years, and a strong recovery. Alright, news in 1 minute, 10 seconds here. Who's in the USD here? If you're in, target the Asian lows. Okay, target the Asian lows right here. And secure yourself. There's no need to come up now, in my opinion. So you just secure yourself, you wait. And that's it. Building permits are coming right now. Let's see how we react, how the dollar reacts. If the dollar reacts bullish, continuation to the upside, or it turns around, who knows? We will find out in 30 seconds. Let's look at the dollar first. See how the dollar continues here, or turns around. 5 seconds. Negative for the dollar. That's interesting. How do we react? Today, not that crazy at all. Okay, nothing crazy here. However, it is negative for the dollar. So if the dollar comes down, we might see recovery. So far, it seems that we're still coming down. Nothing is happening. So you can hold your position open. And you can continue here to the downside. So far, so good. So if you're in gold, hold it up till the wick. Potentially target like the 1897. 98. That's these days I like to see her, you know, starting the stream, immediately taking a couple trades, boom, straight into the motion here. Not too much waiting. Sometimes we have to wait for hours. Sometimes you get 2 trades in a row. That's the game we play here. That's the reality. Dollar is pushing back a little bit here. If we break this low, we might see a deeper pullback to the downside, and that could be an indication to close your trade on Euro USD and gold here. For now, the euro is still okay, but do take consideration that if the dollar turns around and doesn't hold above this high, we might be pulling back. The news is negative, okay? Yeah, we broke it. So, up to you. But I would secure yourself on break even again for the euro if you didn't take profits and you are still in that trade here. Up to you. Up to you. Let's see how this goes here. This one was on break even. Euro we took already. And we just simply look for potential next scenario here. Let's put it in real quick. Alright fam, let's see what you guys are thinking in the chat here. Let's see what the chat is saying right now. Let's dive deep. Euro, yeah, the target could still be the Asian lows here, but do take consideration that the news came out negative here for the dollar. Dollar is holding in this area of the month here. We're holding some support right now. So it could be good, but just be careful. Be careful. You should be around your entry. And if the dollar really comes down and starts breaking these levels, you need to get out. You need to get out. Better sooner than later. You can always re-enter. That's not a problem. Joy Bender says it's a retailer's world. Turbo says, are you on the USD trade? Yes. Rafael says out on break even. Okay. Xau says look at GJ. The Forex says who taught you to trade? YouTube. I had one guy that helped me out tremendously in person. He teaches me a lot about institutional trading. I'm not talking about SMC. I'm talking about, you know, order flow, volume profiles, this type of stuff. And I initially started in crypto and I moved to Forex. Usually it's the other way around. But I moved from crypto to Forex. Gained weight, weak buck, strong gold, buys at lows, entry at 9001. Tech for trade, expected Asian lows to clear. Yeah. Yeah, we might be able to look for re-entries and see how it goes. Okay, shows out of pairs, please. Yeah, we'll do it in a second here. Do you trade the dollar yen? If it shows us a nice setup. Yes, we have traded the dollar yen before. On the 9th, we made small, nice 700 bucks. Who's the guy that's Thomas?
What's up?
Okay,
what's up?
Next trade.
Next trade.
Dollar breaking lows. Potentially, what do you see, Thomas?
Yeah, I see the dollar after taking out some highs going up. I see potential might go for the lows afterwards because they're not capable of breaking the high. Looking on the 15, it really depends on this 15-minute closure I'm looking at right now. Yeah. They came back to midnight open, so they came back all the way back to the magnet of price. Yeah. I expect they might just go down now, and we have some more potential to the downside. Let's see what happens. This 15-minute closure is really important. They said in the top wick. Yeah. You have the same level as me marked out. If they break that and close below, we see a lot of potential for it to go lower, and then we see a flip happening on euro after taking out the lows on euro as well. So we have some potential. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's see what the volume profile says. We actually tapped almost in the point of control of this range.
We have the Asian lows that are still there. I still feel that at some point we have to come down to take out these lows here. But we'll find out in a second. The dollar is now at this low. This is a crucial level for the dollar. This is also super important for gold. Because if the dollar decides to bounce from here, continuation to the upside, then yeah, gold might come down again. If we start breaking the lows, we might be turning and flipping for gold right here. So let's take it to gold here. And right now at the moment you see that we, yeah, okay, we came up. It's not looking strong. It's not looking strong whatsoever at this particular moment. We did, if we talk from you know, a supply and demand perspective, tap into that range. But we're not looking that strong at all. I'm not impressed with the gold at the moment here. Okay. Do we have an equity curve with that data collection template? You can use this very easy. You can make that happen. You can easily get these metrics or these variables in, giving you more deeper analytics. I try to keep it personally as simple as possible. When we're talking about a spreadsheet, I really try to keep it, you know, ABC simple. Why? It doesn't take you half an hour to fill in your spreadsheet, missing out on your trade, which I have done before. I had these super amazing, expensive templates with all the data. In the end, I just needed to know a couple things. How many wins, how many losses, how much money did I make? I knew roughly how much percentage it is. It's not really hard to calculate. You know, what are my entry types? What are my best performers? What are my worst performers? What is my biggest win and biggest loss? That's all I need to know. Abijat Bomik, my man. Welcome. Welcome to the fam. We're working really hard with these signals as well right now. I'm trying to give at least one a day, if not two a day. So far in the last days we have been doing okay. So it's a good start. Let's continue our process here. And yeah, we're gonna go to a couple of channels in a second here, Thomas. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
But for now, the EURUSD is what matters, and gold here. So what do you see for the EURUSD at the moment? You still see it coming down, taking out the Asian lows?
Yes, I'm looking at GU right now, actually. For GU, what I see that we created a top wick for my feeling on the daily after purging out the daily high from yesterday. I want to see a continuation. We might see continuation to the downside. Also looking at the British pound index, that we have some liquidity build up to the downside as well. Yeah. So it does align pretty good after tapping into a supply zone. So we might see something happening. There's also a really big gap on the opening of the British pound index. So we might see that come down and then have that follow up from the GU.
Yeah, it is interesting that the euro is still so weak. And is it worth it to take out the lows right now at the moment and to start trading? I think the risk to reward is a little bit is not as good as it was when we initially entered. So based upon the dollar, yeah, we're holding here. We're holding. So we're still looking quite good. We didn't break the lows, so gold will still potentially push down again. You can clearly see that the support for gold is now at the 1901. So our next potential continuation is just simply looking for a closure below this level. A body closure. We have not had a single body closure below the 1901.08. If you see a body closure below, the next candle pops up, we flip it, we come down, we continue with a new trade to the downside here.
Love it. I love it.
Starting the wick. I would love to see a closure below though. And maybe the next wick can give us a little bit of a tighter stop loss as well. But something like this. I mean, we have not had a single body closure below the 1901. So that's just a matter of time, in my opinion. If that's the case and if the dollar keeps going up, then at some point gold has to close below. And that gives us a nice confirmation. Too many wicks below here. Every single time the month steps in. So let's give it at least a closure below these wicks here. Potentially on the 15 minute. If we come close to the hourly, of course an hourly candle closure would be better. Lorenzo, your story yesterday about losing everything and almost giving up on trading was so inspirational. Good job on not giving up. I'm stuck on break even for 2 months now. I'm so frustrated. My man, it's all phase. The fact that you are break even for 2 months already is amazing. That means that you are already outperforming most traders. So you're actually doing great. So keep going, bro. I could definitely avoided these big losses before in my trading career. I could have avoided it. But yeah, I'm a guy, I need to learn things the hard way. I have learned things the hard way my whole life. And that's why I am how I am right now. And, you know, when you learn things the hard way, it creates character. So sometimes it's good to learn things the hard way and not the easy way. Because that just gives you the experience and that deep emotional feeling of regret, of, you know, whatever it is, for you to build some character, to become a stronger version of yourself, and therefore automatically, you know, grow exponentially. So yeah, let's look for that continuation, see if it's possible, if you can see a closure below that body, and we just take that new trade right here. EURUSD potentially, I think there's a big chance we could come down, take out the Asian lows here. The reason why I'm not entering now is simply because of the risk to reward. That's why we take some profits. No luck with indices? No. The most losses we made during July were on the indices. Actually crazy if you look at it. We had practically all our wins and all our losses were indices. I did some deep research and looked into why, what happened, and so on and so on here. It just came down eventually to skipping the first hour and just wait for the hourly closure. And I'm talking about the 30-minute closure after the hour. So that means that an hour after the New York Stock Exchange open, we wait for that closure and we could see from there. But yeah, sometimes it happens when you know, you're just not performing well on one particular instrument. In July for us, it was it were the indices. Gold was amazing, indices were not. Let's see this month. Where from? You sound Dutch. I'm 100% Dutch, my friend, or 50% Dutch. Can we long gold if we get a rejection at the Asian low? So whenever I see so many wicks below here, it shows that there is indeed a lot of demand. But look at the dollar. The dollar is not showing direct weakness at the moment here. We had a little pullback, but you see immediately when the 30-minute candle came down, we pushed us back up here, and we are now flipping that candle bullish, potentially very soon. This is still good for the dollar, right? So if that happens and continues, this is a higher low, this is a weaker high, we could take out that high, and therefore we could come down to push still below that support we have right now at 1901, and potentially come down to fill up that wick. That's what we're looking for if you close a body below here. For the Euro USD, I think that there is a chance that we could come down to take out the Asian lows. We're almost there. And I would be surprised if you will not take it. It will not take it out. No pip value in journal. No pip value, but I'm always looking at minimum of 20-25 pips. That's the minimum I'm personally looking for. Anything less than that is not, for me personally, not that interesting. If you're new and you're first time to this channel here, we do this 4 days a week. Keep you guys entertained throughout New York. Hopefully you learn something every single session. At least that's what I'm trying. And yeah, our Discord is absolutely crushing right now at the moment here. The Limitless Lounge, where we hang out as well together after the stream, during the stream, before the stream, are completely packed right now at the moment. So that's absolutely amazing. Highly recommend you to join our Discord and to see what we're doing here on a day-to-day basis, to share the setups that we share, and so on and so on here. It's free to join, I guess. It's better than trading alone. Much better than trading alone. Doing together with a nice group of individuals here.
The Discord is where it's at. I fully agree. Let's see.
What is your equity? Around 160k. Yeah, wrong page, my bad. There we go. Euro is going for the lows, yes. We're gonna go for the Asian lows. I think it's a big chance here. So if you're still in, let me know who's still in the EURUSD here. From the trade that we took. Jose, you're still in? Ash, you're still in? Mihao, you're still in? Okay. GBO is still in the short. Amazing. Okay, yes. Target is still the 109. A little bit below, the 108.9. Waiting for gold to come down and break below here. What about GJ? I mean, it's getting interesting now. It's getting interesting for sure. A higher high, we swipe the highs. And we're coming down to break the lows. That's usually a bearish signal here. Expanded, creating that double top formation, then flip. What are you about the Japanese yen here? Yen is coming up. Okay, let's break this high for the yen. Show us some strength. We might be able to look at GJ as well here. Interesting. It is interesting. It is interesting. Euro is coming down. Gold almost breaking. Man, life is the market is so much better today than it was, you know, yesterday and Monday. We have to wait for the hourly closure. We are 10 minutes away for the hourly candle. Hopefully we don't come down too much. But we have to wait for the hourly closure. Just because of the... manipulation that happens around the hourly. And we had all these wicks. And what usually tends to happen is that it's down. And then the last moment, before the hourly closure or the 30-minute closure, boom. Sellers or buyers come into play. And you close right here. It's annoying, but we have to wait for the hourly. Pavel says, Lorenzo, three trades done for today with you. Amazing, man. Amazing. Great to hear. Yeah, we're going there. We're going there. The Asian lows.
Can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So now I can't debate. I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play
Yes, closure in 8 minutes. So hopefully we close around here.
lame, just say that.
Below that level. That's the first body closure.
We don't play that. So
In the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times that we have been coming down, wicking below, and then eventually still coming up here. Pushing. So we have to wait for the hourly closure. Too much manipulation happening around the hourly. Especially 1 hour after the New York Open, 30 minutes before the New York Stock Exchange Open. Wait for that closure. Avoid a lot of headache. Lorenzo, what is normally your daily screen time? I'm trying to avoid as much as possible, but for now, I'm going hard. So what I do, I wake up and I go to the beach. And I go surfing. After surfing, I go and do the London session. Pre-London, like an hour before. And then I'm doing the signals for you guys. In the point of control channel. I'm fully focused on that. Making sure that the signals are there. We make some money. Of course with proof. I take all the trades myself. It's an extension of me. Make sure that this is good. Then I take a little break. Have some meetings. Have some good food. Then the live stream in New York in the evening. And have a good time with you guys again. And then after New York, a little meeting. And then I'm gonna sleep.
What a wonderful schedule. I love it.
6 minutes for the closure. Hopefully we close below it and not too far below it. If you guys want to get access, because I had so many questions about the V3 and about this, the new signal channel here. Yes, it is a one-time payment. It is not a monthly payment. And it costs you practically nothing. You should be making your money back quite soon, quite quick. 97 bucks, lifetime access. You also get access to our courses, everything in there. Sounds delusional, but it is the reality. We're going for like true community building here. So we're trying to give as much value as possible here. And I recently started the Signal group, which I'm personally very excited about. Because New York is not the only session when we trade. We had actually 4 trades over the last days, or 5 trades very quickly. Also just before New York, or after New York, or in London. So it's important. And look at happening here. This is the exact reason why we wait for the closure. So if you're serious to join us in our community, in our premium community here, we have 1,000 people in there right now. And you're fully committed to change something like these people are right here. Absolutely changing their life. And not just their life, also their life style. All right? It starts with your lifestyle. It starts with your health. Health comes first. And the rest comes after that here. Okay? You need a strong body in order to create a strong mind. And that also means for the guys, no masturbation when you wake up, no fapping when you wake up. You don't want to start your day off as a loser. You're completely ruining your day, sucking out all your energy. Okay? Stop that shit right now. And you know what? You know who I'm talking to. Okay? Just saying. You know that by experience? Yes. Stop masturbating. Change your life. change your life around. 3 minutes to the closure. Bart says, stop doing it, Thomas.
I just started laughing so hard I had to mute myself for a second. I didn't expect that one coming, I'm not gonna lie. Oh man. No, I ain't guilty, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not guilty. I stopped doing it, I think like 6 months ago when I started working out twice a day. That's when I stopped.
I know it's a sensitive topic, but it's so important, man. Like, imagine starting your day as a loser.
Yeah, it's true, but yeah, it's funny.
2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Let's hopefully close below the 1901. Otherwise, again, same scenario where we have that, where we have these wicks, and that's why you wait for that closure. Okay, not a single spontaneous entry here. Why? If you wick 7 times before that, below that level, then don't expect this one to automatically come down and just like magically just come down here. No, just wait for that confirmation, because I don't want to get trapped here.
I saw someone's comment. I listened to this loud in the kitchen while making breakfast with my family around. So funny. I almost spit my drink all over my keyboard. Oh.
1 minute left. Big shout out to everyone that joined today. We're waiting for that closure. This is great. Beautiful. 1 more minute. Dollar is pushing up strong. Treasuries right now. Pushing
Rafael
up as well
says,
here.
let's make a poll. Let's make a poll. How we're gonna call it, Rafael? I'm a loser. I'm not a loser. Oh, amazing. I love it. I love it.
20 seconds.
So what are we looking at? What are we looking at?
We're looking at an hourly
right
closure.
Now? Amazing.
This is important. So yes, first closure is gonna be potentially below this level here. Dollar is looking strong. Treasuries are looking good. This is not good for gold. Let's create a top wick and flip. It's gonna be a 1-to-1 for sure. It's gonna be a 1-to-1. I can see it already. We close below. Nice level. First body closure. I'm gonna set my limit right, or my stop order right at 1900 right now actually. Yeah. Sell. First body closure below. Nice wick continuation. Hopefully we flip it, come down, and don't take out the wick above here. It's the hourly closure, by the way. It's the hourly closure that we're looking for, or that we're looking at here. Took out the highs. Fake out? Yeah, hopefully not. Hopefully not. We're gonna find out soon here. Our third trade already.
We have a really bullish closure on gold as well. Gold on dollar as well, so that's really good.
Yeah, let's give it some time.
Some relative equal highs as well, so that's something we could swipe out on the dollar on the hourly.
Yeah.
It's really good.
We have our stop loss quite wide here. We're going for that 1-to-1 wick fill. So we have a quite of a wide stop loss right now above that previous wick of the previous hourly candle. So we gave it a little bit of space here for a potential pullback scenario followed by hopefully a continuation. And hopefully we see a flip here. We closed below these wicks after yesterday finally. So that's worth a trade. Lindo lesson. Today you're aggressive, Lorenzo. Yeah, well, sometimes we just don't have a trade, and sometimes you have 3 trades in a day. That's just the reality here. That's just the game. Euro took out the Asian low, by the way. Congratulations if you took this trade.
Is that the case? All right, amazing. Everyone that was in the V3 in the live trading today, TP3 is hit as well. Amazing.
Congrats.
Love it.
So yes, hopefully you close your EURUSD position here. We closed it in profit. It took out the Asian low. That was the target for the EURUSD here. The Asian low is taken out. Congrats if you held. Amazing. Hopefully we can finish it off strong with gold. Overall, even if we would lose this trade, overall I will be up. I will be still positive today. That's what matters the most. So all the confluences were here. Gold closed below, dollar looking strong. Strong closure for the dollar. Now we have to take this trade. It's a sell. It's a sell. We're in a sell. We're in a little bit drawdown here for our third trade. Why not trade gold GBP? I have traded gold euro. I have never traded gold GBP before. Yeah, just give it patience here, even in drawdown. Immediately after the Asian lows were taken out here, look at the difference. Immediately flipping, reversing, coming up here. Why don't you wait for it to break and retest? We waited for the closure, we waited for the wick, and we flipped, and then we entered. So we followed our plan. The first closure on the 1 hourly below. How do you make your hair like this? I have no idea, man. How do you make this transparent rectangles on TradingView? So you go here, you click on rectangle, you put it in, you go to settings, you click on style, you go to background, opacity to 13% and no border. Okay, I'm gonna get a drink real quick. 1 second, Thomas.
Yes.
Be nice to the people.
I'm always nice, you know. As always. So how's everyone doing? Who was today, from everyone that's in the V3, who took this Euro trade tomorrow with me? What an amazing trade we had. Catched about 31 pips. Amazing work for London towards New York. What a crazy one. Press some W's in the chat. Thomas, do you sit in the library? No, I don't. This is actually my mother. She likes to enjoy reading a lot. I read as well, right? I read as well, but I haven't read all of those books. But my mother does. She likes to read both books. What's your average RR? You mean my average RR? I'm only 20 years old. My average RR per trade. Well, I came from smart money trading. So what I did in the beginning was trading smart money concepts, right? And a lot of people come into smart money thinking they're gonna make a 1 to 20 R trade. So in the beginning, I was trying to get those type of entries. Now I'm lowering it down to like 1 to 3, 1 to 4 R trade. That's what I'm trying to go for now. So that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm only 20 years old. Yeah. So yeah, I would say my average RR is like 1 to 3 R, I guess, something like that. 1 to 3 R. Thomas, that was true. What's the first thing you wake up when you? What's the first thing you do when you wake up? I go downstairs. I jump into the pool, I take coffee, and I go to the gym. That's the first thing I do in the morning. That's the first thing I do. What did you study? ICT. I'm from the Netherlands, same as Lorenzo.
Okay, what's the status? All right, same thing. Yeah, definitely want to see a break here for the dollar. I want to make sure we break the high. And that should help us out. We're holding quite good so far. So I'm just going to give it some patience. Absolutely bananas, guys. Absolutely bananas. We just hit the 35. Like what, 20 minutes ago. Smash that like button here. We're almost at 1,000 likes already. 2 hours in the mix. If you want to be here tomorrow, come at 7 a.m. EST. Today we're already our third trade in. All right, so if you start from the beginning, we have everything here. Okay. Martin, how are you today? I'm doing good, man. How are you? Amazing. Lorenzo drinking chai, yes. Exactly.
No, I do not live in Bali, for the question asked. I live in the Netherlands. Also tropical. It's raining the whole week, so yeah, amazing.
I do miss the Netherlands sometimes. I haven't been there in 2 years. I do miss it sometimes, you know? The feeling of being home. We'll come over soon. Probably we'll come over soon again.
Which city in the Netherlands? I was born in Rotterdam. Thomas, I saw you last week in Eindhoven. There's no way you saw me last week, Bruce. There is no way. I can't believe it. Where did you see me?
The flip is there, hopefully. Let's see. We have our stop loss, we have our take profit. Let's see where it goes.
On the street. But what do you guys think of ICT? Is learning the whole ICT framework really worth it or not really? What do you think, Lorenzo?
Understanding ICT?
Yeah, if it's worth understanding the whole framework of ICT.
I think that the whole framework, I think that the foundation is good. I think that's just a great beginning. Like the basic concepts, in my opinion, are 90% of the work. Yeah. And I think from there it's about fine-tuning here. Even if you don't trade SMC, I think you can learn a lot from ICT. I think you can learn a lot from him. There are many things that he's sharing, which are very interesting to think about, even if you not directly apply it to your trading strategy.
Yeah, I fully agree. Yeah, I think that if you are capable of learning the 100% of what he's trying to teach you, it is worth it. But you need to understand that his way of explaining, his terminology, his way of using his words is really hard to understand. So as far as you can understand it yourself, I would say try to learn it. If that doesn't work, there are 100 strategies out there that can make you profitable over the long term if you just have enough discipline to learn it. That's the whole point. But yeah, I fully agree on what you're saying, Lorenzo.
Protek, how many years did you started trading? I started trading in 2000 for the first time. It was in 2016, so around 7 years ago. I pretty much, wasted my whole trading career for like 3 years straight. Made every single mistake possible. And then 2020, I started to really change. 2020 is where it's really started to work for me. Things started to get better. And ever since. Best trading strategy according to you? A healthy mind. A healthy mind and a good night of sleep. How do you guys know each other? Thomas joined the community a year ago. And he was there every single session. He came to every single live stream. He attended every single event I gave in Discord. And he took over the game.
Yes. I was here just like everyone else. I was just here like you guys, looking for a way out. Eventually joining the Discord, putting as much time as I had into the Discord, into learning, right? And making so much progress over time. Meeting new people, meeting Lorenzo, meeting Gavin, right? It's for me, it's an amazing journey so far, and we're just starting, guys.
What's happening?
We're just starting.
What is happening
flipping.
Here? News
it's
came
flipping.
Out. Now we're here waiting for the news here. Oh, interesting breakdown here. Okay. Let's see how we close this next 30-minute candle when the New York Stock Exchange opens up here. And hopefully we don't get wrecked before. Let's see. Good mindset means good trading. Yes, I think that a strategy itself is irrelevant. You can have everything. I could deliver you everything on a golden platter right now. But if your mindset is not there, and if you're impulsive and you don't like to, really deeply analyze your study or test and get the experience needed, then it's just gonna be a headache here. Just gonna be a headache. So strategy is secondary to your mindset for sure. Okay, I'm actually not a big fan of how we came down and immediately came up here, to be honest. Let's put our gold in there. Our stop loss is at 1904.25. Our first hourly closure below the wick led me into the direction of potentially going for the wick fill below. More downside potential. Dollar was strong. Treasuries came up. However, we kept above that zone. Can you please explain the funded program written in the description? Yes, that's a good point here. Yeah, so Funded Next has a 30% off here on packages of 6K, 15K, and 25K. Because we're limitless, all right? We're special, you get 35% off. So if you want to start out, you want to test a new prop firm, you want to have no time limit, you want to have a one-step potential fee and a balance-based drawdown, not equity-based, then you can give it a try here and follow the trades. If you're already in our V3 and follow the signals, you can do that, or you can just trade by yourself, whatever you want. And use code Limitless35, Limitless35 for your coupon code and your discount. This is for another week, so. Links in the chat. Gold now buy, not sell. Yeah, but we're in a sell already right now. We closed below it. Yeah, all our confluences were there, so. We follow our rules. How much do you get? 85%. Gold is not following the dollar at the moment. Now we look at the treasuries here. The treasuries are also coming up here. So that's what makes it so interesting. The treasury is going up. The dollar is holding up. Yet gold is still pushing. So yeah, let's see how we close here. Our stop loss is above the previous high. And that's all we can do. It's our third trade already. Euro came down to take out the Asian low. So I'm happy for the guys that stayed in or re-entered. Also, there will be only to pass one step instead of in two-step challenge. Yeah, so you have one step or two-step. It depends what you prefer. Some different rules, so read and go through it. Now we have the meetings coming out tonight. So, or later this afternoon. For me, it's super late at night, 2 a.m. We're going to find out about potential, new information in regards to the monetary policy, future interest rate decisions, you name it. It's all gonna be there. Nguyen, welcome man, thank you for the sub. Welcome to the fam, bro. Hope you're doing well, and hopefully we can grow together. Oh man, people are absolutely crushing it. I'm so proud. I never personally expected this before, and not this commitment. I expected some people doing, to post on a day-to-day basis what they're doing here. For the people that don't know, we have a 33-day challenge where you set your goals. You follow a good diet, you have one workout a day, you do some personal development, you know, you train, develop your skills, whatever it is that you're looking for. And man, it's just incredible seeing how many of you guys are taking action and are doing this on a day-to-day basis. I am extremely proud, and this just proves what kind of community we have created, how congruent we are together, and how we share our passion for trading while also working on ourselves. I really do appreciate it. And I'm very proud of you guys.
It's amazing. It really is.
Opinion on dollar yen? We'll look at it here in a second. Dollar is pushing up again. Treasuries are coming up again. What is gold doing here? We haven't seen this that often. Treasury strong, dollar strong. Gold close below. But hey, that's trading. Look at the treasuries, Thomas. Look at the dollar.
I'm looking.
Let me look at the volatility.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's quite interesting what's going on right now. Just in general, it's quite interesting. The price action is showing some rare momentum at the moment. We are tapping again into an order block now on gold, so we might see a push to the downside again. But indeed, like, dollar is going for the highs. Gold is not following along. It's quite interesting.
It's interesting, yeah. We don't see that often.
Yeah.
But the dollar is okay. The dollar, okay, right? The dollar index sometimes has a decoupling of gold, but the government bond 10-year yield usually is very accurate. Very accurate. GU is looking good. Yeah, let's see. 1904.23. Thomas, do you know the train called Thomas?
Yeah, I know the train is called Thomas, yes. Thank you, Bruce. I already knew it was Bruce before I had to look. Yes, I know the train that's called Thomas, yes. In the community, we all know about the train that's called Thomas.
100 likes until 1k likes again. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway today again. Yeah, like yesterday, like Monday. Let's do a giveaway again today. Yeah, we're almost at 1,000 likes already. This is absolutely crazy. Already after 2.5 hours, so. Well done. We will do a giveaway soon.
Thomas the Tank Engine. Yes. Thomas the Tank Engine. Drop some choo-choos in the chat. Like Gavin does. You know.
Interesting behavior. Interesting behavior from the dollar, from gold here. New to the channel like a week ago and enjoying too much great content in the community. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Where winners are also losers, as you guys can see here. If we lose this one, we are at 7 wins, 2 losses, and 2 break even. Hopefully we have the universe on our side. Well, let's see. You wanted to look over GU? Yeah, we can do that real quick indeed. Dollar, we have only looked at EU. If that's the case, then dollar flips here. That's not looking strong. Came up, tapped into this high, got rejected at that high. Broke internal lows, 5 minutes, broke the low. Breaking down. Broke the lows here. Looking for continuation. Okay, we'll look at it in a second here, but it is interesting indeed. There is a 1 hour supply of gold, 1905.75. Yeah, if that's the case, we might look for a re-entry later. Well, let's see. We have a live later at Fomc, so there is not an event. There is no speech or something like that. It's just a report that's coming out. So when there is a speech, most of the time we do a live stream in the middle of the night. What's going to happen to the Fomc news? Please, I'm new to your channel. We're gonna find a report. We're gonna find out if they're gonna potentially increase the interest rates here. A little bit more information about what they want now. And this could have an impact on the dollar. A significant impact on the dollar if it's something extraordinary, something that we don't expect. There is another tool. I'll show you guys that in a second here that you can use. What's going to happen to the Fomc news tonight? Please, I'm new to your channel. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I do not expect too much. The inflation is overall looking okay. But they still want to get it down to 2%, so they might increase it. Who knows? Who knows? Crazy that we're not stopped out yet here. 15 seconds left. That's one closure. Crazy. Jolene says, my son loves Thomas the Train. Yes. My son loves it too right now.
Yeah, who doesn't? Right?
I watched Thomas when I was a little boy. Thomas the Train, the old version. It was absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Yeah. Even I watched it, guys.
Yeah.
Right? So, and my name is Thomas. So, yeah.
This is a bandage moment. You know, you fall, you slip, you bruise your arm or whatever. You have a little wound there. And then your mother, she put a plaster on your arm. And then you have to take it off at some point, right? This is one of these situations. Just take it off. All our confluences aligned here. So this is just part of the game. The dollar went up eventually. The treasuries came up strong. We closed below. We flipped. We had a candle wick. No, it's all part of the game. So please, what are we gonna do now? Which trades are we taking? So we already took three trades today and one in the afternoon. And the euro was a win. The first trade, the euro Australian dollar, was a win. We had a break-even trade on gold. And now we're probably going to have a loss on gold. So let's see if we find one more setup. But yeah, let's see. Removing stop loss is risky. Yeah, no, never. I'm not removing my stop loss. No, that's the game we play. You have a 70-30% advantage. We have a win rate of around 75%. At least that's what we're aiming for. So there is no need to move your stop loss around here and to completely ruin your win rate and your overall ratio, your win to lose ratio in general. Minute, are you okay? Yeah. We're still up today. Where can I learn your strategy on your YouTube channel? So there is one tool that I use. This is what the signal channel is built on that we have in our Discord right now. It's on the volume profile. We call it the POC channel. And there is a video, it's called the best indicator you can use for Forex and gold. And that's my favorite strategy to use by far. It's built upon order flow, volume, and it measures the data. I have a video and it shows you 8 trading examples.
Someone said, why does Thomas look sad? Yeah, everything is alright. I was just focused. When I'm focused, I just, you know, I'm looking at the charts, I guess, with focused eyes. I'm not sad. I'm always happy. What's up? I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Lorenzo, can you add the news to the trading terminal? The little flags will display below. Yeah, we can do that. We can do it for the future. This is indeed where we have the Fomc report. So let's see how that goes. At least today there was some action. That's the most important part. There was some price action happening here. Yesterday was like nothing. Absolutely nothing. Besides the crazy news move. Same for Monday, so I'm happy that we had some price action today. Are you still holding? Yeah. We're still holding. So after the Asian low was taken out, we started pushing. That was kind of expected here. For the dollar, yeah, we're starting to slow down a little bit here. So very interesting that we're now not getting to our position. While the euro is going up, GU is going up, gold is stagnating right now below our stop loss right here. What do you think of the Nasdaq? Yeah, let's look at it. That's actually a good idea. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we opened up, we tapped into that zone, we created. Okay, we're at the lows. We are at the lows right now at the moment. Not looking strong at all. Not looking strong at all. Coming back down. Tricky level though. To look at right now. I think the S&P is looking better. We'll check it out in a second here. What's happening? Why we're freezing?
The stream is loading.
Let me see if it goes. Are we back? Are we back? Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good.
Yeah,
okay,
we're good.
Okay. Chart crashed. Yeah, something is happening with the chart here. I don't know what's going on here. But we're looking at it in a second here. 1904.23.
Yeah, something happened in the markets, I guess. That was crazy. Something's going on.
Trading View, you have the same problem?
Yeah, I had the same problem as well.
Okay.
It was like a second for froze, and then everything shut up.
Yeah.
And then it was back.
That's very strange.
I don't know what happened. Is there news? No, there's not news going on, right?
No news.
Let me check. Let me check.
MetaTrader crashed for a few seconds. Trading View is having big issues right now. That's strange. MetaTrader 4 is stuck. Who has the same thing here? First time in your life and hit stop loss. Who sells at support? We sold below support. You probably didn't. You probably came a little bit later, so you missed our first trade as well, and you missed our second trade as well. You just got our third trade here. Part of the game, my man. More information find in our spreadsheet. Please have a look at it. We're at 2 wins today, 1 loss and 1 break even. And by the way, Viv, if you think that it was not a good trade, why do you take it? Don't take my trade. Don't follow me blindly. Yeah, let's see how we go here with Trading View right now. There are some issues right here. Same for MetaTrader, I heard. Does anyone else have any issues? Okay, perfect. Beautiful. All right. What do you look at, Thomas? So far, euro came up, dollar is flipping right now. So it's important to look at to restructure. Okay. We have closed below this low. So what do we want to see? We want to see a lower high getting created.
Yeah, we see them equal highs are almost like, looks like they were purged on the XY.
Mm-hmm.
And now we see that continuation to the downside, but it was out of nowhere a really big candle.
Yeah.
So I'm looking into what's happening, and I want to see some more healthy price action. So we can confirm what is going on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. Also, my MetaTrader is not working either. I don't know what's going on here. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Let me see if I can fix this. Very, very interesting.
Seeing if my MT5 is still frozen. For me now it's working, I guess. I believe so. I need to check.
Okay, whatever. I think we can just move forward with the analysis regardless. If you need to take something, it's okay. Let's see if it will be fixed shortly here. Dollar, yen, word nothing. Thomas, stop hacking. Do we still have equals on the dollar? At this particular moment, we have created a low. Waiting for the pullback, followed by another rejection. Look for potential continuation here. Condolences are your loss, man. Was unfortunate. This is part of the game, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. We won more than we lost today. So a loss is just part of it. What tends to happen in the chat is that people are focusing more on the losses than on the wins. The wins are very... For example, we just had a win before, a couple minutes before. The wins are very quick and the losses are hurting, are painful. So you just need to put it to the side, continue the process and repeat. That's it. Dollar index breaking low. Looking for the pullback here. So the euro definitely looking good now after this low taken out and then reverting to the upside. Damn, that's absolutely nuts, guys. Wow. What is going on? Crazy momentum lately. Crazy momentum. Almost 1,000 likes. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway very shortly. Definitely something to celebrate here. We're reaching our 35,000 this stream. 1,000 likes, 12,000 members in our community. Crushing it. Very proud of you guys here. Let's do our giveaway soon. Let's give away $100. You guys can decide 1 time 100 or 2 times 50.
2 times 50 or 1 time 100, guys. Press a 2 or press a 1 in the chat. 2 or 1 in the chat. 1 time 100, 2 times 50. 2 or 1 in the chat. Only 1s and 2s, guys.
So what are we looking for right now? We're looking for the dollar to push further, and we're looking for EU to start breaking some of these highs. Right now we have taken out the Asian low. We're pushing up. Usually that's very bullish signal that could definitely lead into continuation here. The hourly candle right now is going to close in 12 minutes. We're going to close above. After taking out the Asian low, we're going to close above here and potentially look for that continuation. All right, let's do a 50-50 here. Let's do it 2 times. Let's open Nightbot right here. Shout out to Nightbot. And let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Giveaway right here. Boom. All right. Little W in the chat. Make sure you only do it once. Then it should be good here. Let's add the moderators as well. Everyone. We gave away $100 yesterday, the day before. We're trying to do this as much as possible whenever we can. All the YouTube money going to giveaways. Beautiful. Stacking up here. Let's do it in like a couple of minutes. And then we will we'll have this done as well. There we go. Okay, let's do it in a couple of minutes here. Beautiful.
All right. Hey Lorenzo, I would love to go over the trade we took today in the V3. If you would love to go to the V3 members chat for me.
Show me.
That's possible.
Yeah.
Or you want to look at my screen? That could be an option as well.
Yeah, let's look at your screen. I think it's better.
All right, that's amazing. So today, to start off, we have someone that actually passed his challenge of this trade. So a massive respect to him. Really grateful that you passed your challenge. And let's keep doing this over and over and over again. Can you see my screen by any chance?
We were looking at you.
Yeah.
Okay. Show us what you got, man.
All right. So what we saw today, right? We were anticipating for price to go down during London. So let me actually take out the session range right here. So we're anticipating for price to go down during London. That didn't happen. We went pull up a little bit more to the upside. We saw that we deviated from the central bank dealers range. That's for people that don't understand. That's ICT, right? It's ICT trading. Mm-hmm. We went up, deviated to the upside. Then we had that. We tapped into a fair value gap and an order block, selling our price off, hitting 5 o'clock, starting a new 4-hour candle. So my interpretation was that we had a 4-hour distribution to the downside. And as we can see, we hit a 4-hour distribution down and we reversed afterwards. For the ones that were here in this session, you all saw me call it live that we had a 4-hour distribution to the downside. This was 30 pips to the downside. What an amazing setup it was. A 1 to 8 for everyone who took it. Press some W's in the chat. And yeah, this is what we did today during the V3.
Beautiful.
So, yeah.
Crazy stuff. So yeah, I'm personally very excited. Thomas is doing the live streams right now in our Discord during London session. At the same time, I'm doing, and I just opened the Signal channel for the London session to give you as many losing trades as possible. You can find it right here. Okay, you can get to V3 access here, $97 lifetime access. If you are fully committed, you want to change your life, you want to go to the education, you want to be part of a group that really cares here. The community can confirm that. You want to join the Signal channel, but also the live streams of Thomas. You can get it all in there. One time, $97. Get V3 access right there. Beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade today. Appreciate it.
Yes.
Let's do the giveaway right now. And let's see what we have here. We have 249. Let's pick the first winner. Let's see what we have here. Let me know if you guys are ready. Boom. Excellent records. Haven't seen you before, my man. Welcome. Congratulations. Let me know if you're here right now.
W.
And let me know if you're here. Send me a message right now in the chat. Otherwise, we have to do it again. I want to see a message from you, my man. Excellent records. Now let's give him 30 more seconds. Let's give him some time. Ah, he's here. Okay, amazing. I got your one. I got your channel. Beautiful. Okay, amazing. Next up, let's do it one more time. 50 bucks. Boom. Mr. Viral Buzz. Viral Buzz, are you here, my friend? Let's see if you're here. Beautiful. Okay, I got you. I got you. Okay, please open a customer support ticket below. Go there, open a customer support ticket right here, and we will get it. We will get it sorted. All right. In our Discord, join our Discord, open a ticket, and we'll fix it. We'll send you the 50 bucks price. Probably tomorrow as well. Love giving, and doing our best here to build something here. I literally came from nothing, and there is nothing worse in life than making a lot of money, thinking that you're the man, thinking that you're some sort of genius, and that you can, you know, keep making money, that you somehow expect that money just piles in. And then there's nothing worse than losing it all. There is nothing worse in life, in my opinion, from my personal experience as an entrepreneur or trader or whatever it is, in making a lot of money and then losing it all because you become greedy, too confident, too cocky. You think that it's easy. Boom, momentum stops. You lose your money, have to start over again. Imagine that happening to you multiple times throughout your life. That's the game. All right, so we've been winning in life, you've been losing in life, you've been seeing highs, you know, crazy lifestyle, lows. At some point, you get really tired of that. And you're gonna go through a stage in life where you wake up, and it's truly a wake-up moment where you're like, okay, not anymore. This is the last time this ever happened to me. I have to make a change now. And this is gonna be my new life. You forget about the past, you start fresh, you take all your bad experiences with you, turn them into positive experiences. Out of every bad experience in life, there's 99% of the time always something to learn, to take with you. Every single time when I failed, where I lost it all, where I went to deep lows, I learned something specific, something that I took with me, you know, during the rest of my career, the rest of my life here. Once you get out of it and you have that knowledge and you come back from where you initially were, you feel that you're on top of the world again. But this time it's gonna be different. This time you're on top of the world, but you're gonna make a change for yourself. You're gonna make sure that you stay on top of the world by, you know, understanding your principles, by having empathy towards others, by not being that impulsive any longer, and making very critical decisions, and gather a very good, amazing, good, solid network, a group of individuals that truly care about you. And therefore, I decided to start our community, just purely because I know that there are many guys like me in the past that lost it all. And I'm saying guys because 95% of you are guys that lost it all, like me before in the past, are trying to make it happen somehow, seeing trading as an answer, as a solution to change their life around. And therefore I believe that building a community is the most fulfilling thing I could ever do right now at this particular moment. I could live an amazing lifestyle right now in Dubai, chilling, posting my Ferrari, doing this and that. I decided to stick with you guys right now for 2 years straight to build the best possible community out there. That's my mission. And we're gonna go through these ups together. We're gonna also go through these downs together. That's just part of the game. But that's where we learn from, and that's how we improve here. So for me, this is the reason why I'm here. This is the reason why I stream 4 days a week, 4 hours a day, providing you with all the information possible. It's not only about the signals, it's about the journey, it's about the connection, and it's about what we're trying to achieve here. The momentum has been absolutely crazy. 400 subs today already. Likes are going through the roof. The community is exploding here. I can just say that I'm extremely proud of you guys. I'm not interested in trading any longer right now. We have taken 3 trades during the stream. 1 win, 1 break even, and 1 loss. And we had 1 win, of course, through our signal channel right here. So I'm very proud of you guys. I'm going to leave you guys here. But I at least wanted to give you, you know, the understanding of my journey and why I'm here helping you guys out and what the reason is why I'm here on a day-to-day basis and why I want you to be here tomorrow, 7 a.m. sharp EST. Get ready, new analysis, new trades. Most importantly, our connection is getting stronger every single day. So thank you, Thomas. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
and I'll
bro.
come back tomorrow. And if you want to have more information about the history, trades, everything, spreadsheet is right there. Love all of you guys. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.